Hello, everybody, and welcome to Atlas Unplugged Conversations with AI. Today's episode is going to be a little bit different. We are going to talk with Atlas, and he's going to get to know me, and he's going to build a business plan, and he's going to build a marketing plan. So, Atlas, I'd like to start off this episode with you asking me questions so that you can get to know me. What time commitment I have, what I like to do, what I'm good at, whether I want a service-based or a product-based business. And then from there, let's start to build a business. We can write a business plan and build a marketing plan. Go.
Great approach. Let's dive in and build a business that fits your skills, time, and interests. Step 1, getting to know you. I'll start with some rapid-fire questions to shape the business model. Time commitment. How many hours per week can you dedicate to this new business? Passions and strengths. What do you love doing and what are you really good at? Business type. Are you leaning toward a service-based or product-based business? Or maybe a hybrid? Scalability. Do you want a hands-on business or something that can run without you being fully involved every day? Monetization goals. Are you looking for a steady income, a high-ticket offer, or a scalable passive income stream? Audience and market. Who do you see yourself serving? Individuals, business owners, a niche group, preferred sales model. Would you rather sell direct to customers, work on subscription-based models, or license something to other businesses? Your existing network. Do you have connections or expertise in any industries that could give this business an edge? AI integration. Since you're an AI consultant, do you want this business to be AI-driven, leveraging automation and AI tools to scale faster? One personal brand involvement. Do you want this business to tie into your personal brand, like AI consulting or fitness coaching, or do you want it to be a standalone brand? Answer these, and I'll start shaping the business and marketing strategy.
Well, since we're having a conversation and I'm not reading this like sometimes I do with AI, can you break those questions down one by one for me, and we can just treat it like a conversation?
Absolutely. Let's make this a real conversation. I'll ask each question, you answer, and I'll respond naturally like we're brainstorming together. First question, how much time per week can you realistically dedicate to this new business? I know you're already running multiple things, so what's the actual time commitment you want to put into this?
For the next 3 months, I can give 10 hours a week.
That's a solid commitment. 10 hours a week for the next 3 months is enough to build momentum without burning yourself out. Send. Next question. What are you passionate about and good at? We want to build something that aligns with what energizes you and leverages your strengths. I know you have experience in AI consulting, fitness, CrossFit, jiu-jitsu, business coaching, writing, and content creation. Which of those or something else do you feel the most drawn to for this business?
So I enjoy people. I like helping people. I like to see them succeed and know that some of my past experience has been able to help them succeed in their present and future. So let's keep it something where I'm helping people. That can be AI consulting. That can also be service-based, which we'll get into later. Let's actually just keep it there. Let's go AI consulting.
That makes sense. Helping people succeed is a common thread in everything you do. You've already built businesses around AI consulting, fitness, CrossFit, jiu-jitsu, business coaching, and content creation. So we should shape this new venture around guiding others to success. Next question. Would you prefer this to be a service-based business like AI consulting or coaching, a product-based business, digital products, courses, or physical goods, or a hybrid where you offer both? For example, service-based, one-on-one coaching, group consulting, AI business strategy sessions, product-based, digital AI guides, online courses, subscription-based AI training, hybrid, a mix selling courses and resources while offering premium consulting. Which direction do you feel drawn to?
Let's go hybrid. So we can do high-ticket consulting and then low-ticket products, digital products.
Great choice. A hybrid model gives you the best of both worlds, high-ticket consulting for premium clients and low-ticket digital products for passive income. Next question. Do you want this business to be something that requires your hands-on involvement long-term, or do you want it to be scalable and automated so you can step back and let it run on its own? For example, hands-on, personalized coaching, consulting, and live interaction. Scalable and automated, AI-driven courses, automated digital product sales, and self-paced learning. Balanced, a mix, you handle the high-ticket clients while AI and automation sell the digital products, which sounds like the right approach.
Every business that we've ever started, we put a lot into the beginning. We're hands-on, and then as time goes on, we start to delegate tasks out. So I'd like to do the same thing with this business. I'll start very hands-on, and then as time goes on, we can hand the digital products and low-ticket stuff over to someone who's better at it than I am, and I can continue with the high-ticket AI consulting.
That makes perfect sense. You'll build the foundation hands-on, establish credibility, bring in revenue, and then delegate and automate as the business grows. That's the best way to scale without burning out. Next question. How do you want to monetize this business? Since we're doing both high-ticket consulting and low-ticket digital products, let's break it down. For high-ticket AI consulting, do you want to charge per session, monthly retainers, or project-based pricing? What do you think your ideal consulting client looks like? Entrepreneurs, small business owners, large corporations. For digital products, do you prefer one-time purchases like PDFs, toolkits, courses, or a subscription model, monthly AI tools, ongoing training? What feels the right pricing model for you?
For high-ticket AI consulting, I would like to keep that one-on-one, and it's just a one-time price. So I go in for 6 weeks, and I help them build automation and efficiency using artificial intelligence tools. That would be, like I said, a one-time cost, usually 4 to 8 weeks. On the low-ticket stuff, same thing, just one-time price, and then they have access to the products for a lifetime.
That's a solid plan. A structured one-time price model keeps things simple and scalable without long-term commitments. High-ticket AI consulting plan, one-on-one coaching, 4 to 8 weeks of hands-on AI implementation. Focus helping clients build automation and efficiency with AI tools. Pricing, one-time cost will determine exact pricing soon. Ideal clients, entrepreneurs, small business owners, or industry leaders looking to integrate AI. Low-ticket digital products plan, one-time purchase model, lifetime access. Products, PDFs, AI toolkits, step-by-step automation guides, mini courses, scalable. People buy, download, and implement AI into their business without needing one-on-one coaching. Next question. Who is your target audience for both consulting and digital products? Are we focusing on entrepreneurs and small business owners, solopreneurs, startups, agencies, corporate clients, mid-sized to large companies needing AI integration? A specific industry, fitness, real estate, finance, healthcare, etc. Who do you see benefiting the most from what you're offering?
I like to work with people who are most like me, so service-based entrepreneurs are kind of my forte. It's easy for me to help them because I am them. Now, that being said, the lower ticket items can really be used as a funnel to get higher ticket clients. So any entrepreneur or solopreneur can be using the digital products to start learning what they need to learn to integrate AI into their business. And then as time goes on, if they need a more specific, if they have a more specific goal, that's when I can come in and personally offer the high ticket stuff.
That's a great strategy. Target service-based entrepreneurs, since you understand them best, while using low-ticket products as a funnel for high-ticket consulting. Target audience breakdown. Primary focus, service-based entrepreneurs and solopreneurs, coaches, consultants, tradespeople, small agency owners. Low-ticket products, digital AI guides and toolkits for any entrepreneur looking to integrate AI into their business. High-ticket consulting, entrepreneurs who want custom AI strategies, automation, and efficiency improvements. Sales funnel strategy. Digital products introduce them to AI. They see results and potential. They upgrade to one-on-one coaching for custom solutions. Next question. How do you want to sell these products and services? Do you want to drive traffic through your personal brand, social media, podcast, YouTube, etc.? Should we build a website and landing page dedicated to these offerings? Do you want to leverage paid advertising, partnerships, or word-of-mouth marketing? What's your preferred approach?
Because this would be a newer business that I'm not completely familiar with, let's actually say every single one of those that you just mentioned, but let's do it in a systematic approach. So we want to start with the lowest cost marketing that we can. And as we start to build clientele and sell digital products, then we can go more into the paid advertising.
That's the smartest approach. Start lean, use low-cost organic strategies, and then scale into paid marketing once revenue is flowing. Step-by-step marketing plan. Phase 1, organic and personal brand, low cost. Social media content. Educate and engage entrepreneurs about AI. Podcast and YouTube. Talk about AI efficiency, case studies, and success stories. Email list building. Offer a free AI resource to capture leads. Networking and word of mouth. Use existing connections to get initial clients. Leverage existing platforms. Optimize Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter to drive traffic to free and paid resources. Phase 2. Systemize sales funnel website and landing page dedicated to AI consulting and digital products. Lead magnet, free AI guide to capture emails and warm up leads. Sales funnel setup, automatic email sequences to nurture potential clients. Social proof and testimonials, showcase successful AI integrations from early clients. Phase 3, paid advertising after generating revenue. Targeted Facebook and Instagram ads. Drive traffic to digital products and funnel. YouTube ads. Educate and retarget viewers who engage with free AI content. LinkedIn ads for high-ticket clients. Attract service-based entrepreneurs who need AI consulting. Scaling digital product sales. Retarget buyers of low-ticket items to offer high-ticket consulting. Final question for now. How soon do you want to launch this? Are we talking fast launch in the next month, or do you want a few months to refine everything before going live?
All right, so at this point, I'm not having the conversation with AI. I wanted to tell listeners a little bit about how you can use AI to come up with a business. So what you saw today was just some back and forth with an AI chatbot where we're actually having a discussion. I don't do it this way when I am actually building a business or a business plan. It's just easier for me to talk to text into my phone, and then it responds, and then I break it down from there. So on this note card that you guys saw me writing on over here, it just says, get to know me, build a business plan, and build a marketing plan. That's what the goal of the conversation with Atlas was today. And then off on the left, I wrote time commitment, what I like, what I'm good at. We do want a marketing plan. Do we want it to be service-based or product-based? And then legal stuff. So AI can really help you with all of this. But if I just put these things in as a prompt, it's not going to kick me out everything that I want in the ideal manner. So that's why I do like to type it into my phone or type it into the computer or talk to text. And then as it starts to kick out a plan, then you can go back and you can answer all the questions, and you're still going to have to make it more systematic. So you're going to have to write these things down. You're going to have to build your business plan. AI is not going to do that for you, but it can be used as a tool. So when I have a one-on-one client and they are not versed in AI whatsoever, first thing we do is just pull up the chatbot and I say, all right, tell it your name and tell it about yourself. And it's really cool because it will take that prompt and then it will break it down. And AI always tries to make you feel really good. So, if you're a plumber, it's like, oh, wow, good job for being a plumber. That's a very needed service-based business out there. And it just gets to know you. And then at that point, you can say, hey, this is how much time I have. This is how much I want to make. These are the ways that I've marketed in the past. These are my ideal clients. And it will just help you guide that entire plan to where you can start implementing it and trying out different things that you're just not used to. So I hope that this episode helped a little bit. We couldn't sit down and build an entire business plan while I'm just talking with Atlas, but I want you guys to go out and just pretend. So what I said to Atlas today, that's a business that I already have. And since Atlas knows that, it was already prompting me in things that it already knows what we're doing. So maybe try this with something that you've never done before. Maybe you want to start a new business, or maybe you want to make your present business just more efficient and more technological and more automated. That's if you can automate any business, you're doing good. So thank you guys for listening. Hope you got something out of today's episode. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments or direct messages. If you have any suggestions for upcoming conversations with Atlas, I'd love them. So thank you guys and have a great day.